Hello all, I'm Kavya DC of class final year BCA. Today I'm going to discuss about Infosys Cobalt. Infosys Cobalt is a set of services, solutions and platforms for enterprises to accelerate their cloud journey. It offers 14,000 cloud assets and over 200 industry cloud solution blueprints. Infosys Cobalt was launched August 20, 2020, Bangalore, India. Overview of Infosys Cobalt. Infosys Cobalt is a set of services, solutions, and platforms that acts as a force multiplier for cloud powered enterprise transformation. Infosys Cobalt helps business redesign the enterprise from the core and also build new cloud first capabilities to create seamless experience in public, private and hybrid cloud across PaaS, SaaS and IaaS landscapes. With Infosys Cobalt's community leverage, enterprises can rapidly launch solutions and create business models to meet changing market needs while complying with the most striking global, regional, and industry regulatory and security standards. Building business resiliency with cloud. Infosys Cobalt help business redesign the enterprise from the core and also build new cloud first capabilities to create seamless experience in public, private and hybrid cloud. Expand innovation with the cloud community and its 14,000 cloud assets. Enterprises can leverage the full potential of the cloud ecosystem and Infosys Cobalt thriving community of business and technology. Innovators to drive increased business value, working grassroots up and extending seamlessly to partner with clients. The cloud community provides access to a catalog of over 14,000 assets to help business leverage the potential of the cloud ecosystem. An example is the Infosys Payer B2B platform, creating a disruptive marketplace for employers and providers to come together to manage the health of employees. The Infosys Cobalt Cloud community over time will expand to include startup partners, academy, giga workers, and citizen cloud developers. Assets categories of Infosys Cobalt Cloud community: engineering assets, knowledge assets, learning assets, and business assets. Speed to market with over 200 industry cloud solution blueprints and Infosys Cobalt Labs. With Infosys Cobalt, enterprises can have ready access to a growing portfolio of over 290 cloud first solution blueprints. Infosys Enterprises Service Management CAF, for example, is an AI powered solution built over the service now cloud platform that delivers ready to launch application. With Infosys Cobalt Labs at Infosys Global Digital Centers, business can also co-create new solutions and accelerate speed to market. More broadly, Infosys Cobalt Labs works with the Infosys partner ecosystem to pre-configure partnership to prototype industry solution as well. Secure the globally dispersed enterprise. With Infosys Cobalt, regulatory and security compliance along with technical and financial governance comes baked into every solution delivered. Enterprises count on Infosys Cobalt to securely access cloud capabilities and innovation from the various partners with the assurance of Infosys single point accountability of secure outcomes. About Infosys. Infosys is a global leader in next generation digital services and consulting. We enable clients in 46 countries to navigate their digital transformation. With nearly 4 decades of experience in managing the systems and working of global enterprises, we expertly steer our clients through their digital journey. We do it by enabling the enterprises with an AI powered core that helps prioritize the execution of change. We also empower the business with agile digital at scale to deliver unprecedented level of performance and customers delight. Our always on learning agenda drives their continuous improvement through building and transforming digital skills, expertise, and ideas from our innovation ecosystem. Then, reference. Visit www.infosys.com to see how Infosys can help your enterprise navigate your next. For more details on Infosys Cobalt, visit this website. Thank you.